How to turn off dark mode on Snapchat. To turn off dark mode on Snapchat and switch back to light mode, you can follow these steps. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once inside the Snapchat app, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once there, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the Snapchat account settings. Now here, scroll down and look for the app appearance option available there and tap on it. Once you tap on the app appearance, you will get to see some options available on your screen. Now here, tap on the switch to light option available there. You can see the icon available of the sun brightness. Tap on the apply theme and it will change. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.